Goes live. So right now, okay, now it's weird. I think we had to do it that way.
Damn, this thing sucks. It won't get the whole area unless you put
View
it.
your stream.
Yeah.
On this page right here?
View your stream. Yeah.
Where's our social media, man?
Here we go.
Well, he went home earlier than everybody. What the fuck? Why is he lying?
Where's Dylan, man?
Tá escuro assim.
Eu vou pôr a luz.
Por que tá escuro?
Eu vou pôr a luz, espera.
Okay, we're live on Facebook.
I see you right now.
Hey, give me a
Oh
volume.
yeah.
Hey, Mark!
Oh, he's... he recorded me talking for 4 minutes.
What's going on?
Oh, there he is.
Okay, so I think we are on Facebook right now. If you're on Facebook watching, shoot us a comment. We're just testing this out because all this technical stuff is nonsense. Oh, those lights were better, dude. Those lights made it so much better. Oh, totally. Okay, so
Hey, everybody.
y'all out there? Anybody out there?
There we go.
Greg's? Okay, good. That's Greg, my Boise drummer.
Right on, Greg.
Greg, shout out to you, man. He says he wants to play.
So we got our...
We're representing our Van Halen for this live stream. Anthony's representing Nashville. Darren's got the Pointers sponsorship going on. All right, Kevin Joyce, UK says what's up.
UK, what up, UK?
Woohoo! We suck. Please, we suck. Oh, that's Darren.
That one?
No, it's that one. All right. Michelle Rodriguez Stamberg is watching. Greg's watching. You're good. The Boise drummer. You guys rock. All right. Well, we're going to do a sound check for Facebook because it didn't go through before. So now we're going to see how that sound works. Hey, guys.
Are they cold?
Let's jam a song.
Let's put them in here.
Okay. Anthony. Carl.
Ready.
I've been big on it. You know what I've been doing a lot? Good girl.
Smoke? Probably smoke. Josh, jump on.
Let's do it, Josh.
Put me in, coach.
What do you want to do? Mary Jane's, or you want to do like
Let's do Ginny Ginny. Let's get in practice. That works for Ginny, or you
I was just gonna borrow a tool. It used to be a shit. Which I don't see. Hugo, where'd that music stand?
All right, we're gonna have
Where'd that music stand go?
our soul brother Josh LaRocco on bass, singing a song he wrote for his mom. Make sure we turn this off.
In the milk crate? Never mind, I got that.
You can, I think you can open up, oh, it's Facebook. I don't have it on that iPad.
I know he is. Don't fuck with
So, like, you got your binder for that chance?
me. Yes, I do.
Third one.
Sorry, it's like my
We played it last night.
2 minutes short of being prepared.
It was just the way I went on live.
Going on the highway.
All right, here we go. This song is Ginny Ginny.
Getting had. Getting took.
You guys ready?
Give me something I can hold on to. I know you think I might be a fool.
take the guitars down a notch. It's too much for the room.
So we
Yes,
got
louder drums.
Was it on the Queridos
The
page
bass
or
is-
was it on?
The bass is
you have it
fine,
on your
drums are
page?
fine.
It's on the Queridos Facebook
I did
page.
one earlier.
Just take the
Okay.
guitars down one notch. It's too
I
much.
just
for-
turned it.
It's too much for the room.
I think we're fighting getting up over the guitars.
Carl, you changed your saturation on that deco.
Which one?
This one? Hit that pedal. Louder now.
So it wasn't your mic, because I had your mic.
You know, that's not, you know, that's an old audio technica.
That's the boost.
You know, it's not top of the line. You know what I mean?
We need to
It's
bring
like,
that down.
just a,
Yeah.
but it's a badass new mic. But it's not gonna, that's not a mic that's gonna
Get that
create
message.
people.
Get that message, Joe. You know what I mean? Let's try something again real quick.
Little drive-by thing for Zach.
Try something
first
again real
birthday?
quick.
Okay, I'll tell her we don't run it down there. She didn't even message me. Instant message me here. I don't know. Yeah, I didn't get it.
It was a text. She told me to ask you if you got it.
Okay. Shoot. Fun, I love drive-by birthday parties, right?
We got a Mahalo Shiba truck.
Did you turn that, you take your amp down?
Yeah.
It just sounded like when everything was going and with all the vocals, then I heard the feedback on the top.
Yeah.
Like, it's like you could almost see it.
And I wonder if it's going to be like one of
Dude,
the...
So lucky you got out of here.
I got out. I knew he was gonna
It
get
seems like every time you
Hey,
guys
that was one case
Yeah.
where it was good to have a hammer in your toolbox.
Yeah.
I left my toolbox back in Boise, so all right, what are we doing?
Centerfold. So Leo, you're set on the
No, I don't wanna-
camera angle on this.
I don't want to do any more songs that we're actually playing.
Okay.
Are we streaming or what's going
Yeah,
on?
we're testing another streaming yet.
But we're not live right now.
Yeah,
We're
we're
gonna
gonna
play. Play.
Roses, Anthony started that one.
Which one?
Bloody Roses, you see
Yeah.
that?
You're all practiced up on Blood and Roses and stuff?
I'm ready to go.
Okay. What can we do? Want to do Mary James?
Down and give it to mine.
it's just kind of looping around in there.
But since you guys turned down the guitars,
Sounds way better.
yeah.
And Leo, I moved your amp up. You were way in the back. You're freaking muting yourself.
It's delayed.
About 10 seconds.
Is it it's not on right now.
Probably like a minute, yeah.
Is it still on?
All right.
Oh, you had to work.
That was our test. So we'll be back at 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, 5 o'clock for all you people in Boise, Idaho, and anywhere else across the world. Check your time listings. We'll be back.
Get yourself something to drink, some popcorn, snacks. Get ready.
Get your hot dogs here. Hot dogs. Hot dogs.
Want to go outside?